When surfing the internet, the web browser you use can make a huge difference. For some people, faster performance might be the top priority, while others may prefer a browser with better privacy tools or numerous customization options. No matter which camp you fall into, there's a browser for you. In this top 5, instead of putting these in order based on popularity, I will count them down based on which browser we've enjoyed using the most, with ease of use features included and overall performance being the most important factors. Let's dive right in. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is the open source Brave web browser. Built using Chromium, it's a favorite for many privacy and security enthusiasts. With a high emphasis on performance, they claim it's 3 times faster than Chrome. By default, Brave blocks ads and trackers on all websites. While this is great for you as the end user to load web pages faster, it does eliminate the financial incentive that websites depend on to make money. This is where their pay-to-serve business model comes in, which they call Brave Rewards. In short, when you view alternative ads that Brave has placed on the web pages, users earn basic attention tokens known as BATs that can be divided up to the publishers of the site you visit. While some see this as a positive, many view this negatively as a Robert Peter to PayPal scheme. To generate more revenue for Brave, when you launch Brave, you'll notice it has a nice looking interface. Its homepage dashboard will show you the trackers and ads block, the bandwidth saved and the time saved blocking ads and trackers. Below that are the top sites you visited in the past. In the upper right corner is a clock, and in the lower right corner you'll find icons to view your browsing history, manage bookmarks and preferences, and you can even customize what appears on your dashboard. Find out how many ads and trackers have been blocked. Click the Brave Shield to the right of the address bar. If you ever encounter websites that don't load properly, with this enabled, toggle the switch off, and that should fix your problem. In the number 4 spot, Vivladi. It was co-founded in 2016 by one of co-founders of the Opera browser, back when it was good prior to the takeover by the group of Chinese investors. Vivladi is great for customization with unique features, not found in any browser. Some of those features include protection from trackers, an ad blocker, and end-to-end encryption to secure data. In addition to the tab stacking and tiling features, you can also display your tabs side by side within the browser window. And far ahead of most other browsers, Vivladi allows you to switch between light and dark modes based on the theme you have set for your operating system. When you launch it, you'll see the speed dial with your favorite sites. Along the left are your bookmarks, downloads, and tabs for notes. The sidebar is another place to quickly access websites you often visit. You can drag this out if you want to make the window bigger. In the lower right, there's a handy screenshot tool to capture a full page or selected regions. Just like most other Chromium-based browsers, extensions can be installed directly from the Chrome Web Store. Coming in at number 3 is Microsoft Edge. It's not a terrible browser like some people think. It's actually quite fast and does have some useful features, including this new shopping feature that can help you save your money. It's also not a resource hog like some of the others on the list, with privacy and security tools that will help you protect your data online. On the start page, at the top is the Bing search bar with quick links to your favorite sites. And filling up most of the page is the newsfeed. If you want to change the news or topics that you see when you open the start page, click on personalize in the upper right. On this page, it will let you configure the topics of interest for you that appear in the newsfeed. Read aloud is another feature that people like. In addition to Windows and Mac OS, Microsoft Edge is also available for Linux. In the runner-up spot, coming at number 2 is Mozilla Firefox. It's open source, been around since 2002, and is truly the absolute best browser, not based on Chromium. Firefox is feature-packed with a picture-in-picture tool, a built-in screen capture tool, and a reader mode. It's also highly customizable with themes to change the look, extensions to enhance your experience, and in dark mode to give your eyes a break. The other feature worth pointing out is the reader mode. Look for the icon to the right of the address bar and select it. To toggle it on, you'll select it to toggle it on. You'll notice a cleaner look with all the images and ads removed. Over here on the left, you can change the font size and switch to a dark mode. Below that, you'll also find a read aloud mode, similar to Microsoft Edge, that lets you change the speed and voice. In the top spot, coming at number 1 is Google Chrome. Why do people like it? It surely can't be that it's great for privacy and it's not a resource hog. Actually, it's the opposite for privacy. It's terrible with how they use your data, and it's one of the worst for battery life with laptops. Quite simply, people use it because it's easy to use and no fuss, and offers excellent cross-platform support, allowing you to sync your bookmarks, passwords, and other stuff across the multiple devices. The user interface is visually pleasant with rounded corners, and with Windows and Mac OS it plays nice using either the light or dark mode that you have set for your operating system. But perhaps one of the biggest reasons why people use Chrome is because they have the largest amount of extensions available to enhance your browser experience. If that's the case for you, why you use Chrome, I'd suggest using one of the other Chromium based browsers mentioned like Brave, Microsoft Edge or WebRTC, which all offer support for extensions from the Chrome Web Store. Thank you for watching. Links are in the description. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share with others what your favorite web browser is. Let us know about it in the comments, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on the latest top 5 and other tech related stuff.